Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's probably crossed your mind: life insurance. More specifically, why life insurance in the US can feel like it's draining your bank account, and how you can save some serious cash without compromising on coverage. We're going to break down the factors driving up those premiums, and arm you with practical tips to lower those costs. Protecting your family's future shouldn't mean sacrificing your present financial peace. So if you're ready to become a life insurance pro, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room: healthcare costs in the US. We all know they're through the roof, and this has a direct impact on your life insurance premiums. Insurance companies are in the business of calculating risk. When they see a population grappling with sky-high medical bills, they know they're more likely to pay out bigger claims. It's basic economics: higher risk equals higher prices. So those rising healthcare costs, yeah, they're getting baked right into your life insurance premiums. Even the cost of everyday medications and routine checkups adds up. Insurance companies don't just look at individual health, they look at the big picture. The healthier the pool, the lower the risk, the lower the premiums for everyone. Understanding how healthcare costs impact life insurance is crucial, even if you're in perfect health. It's a systemic issue that affects everyone in the market. Let's talk about another factor that might surprise you: the US's love affair with lawsuits. We live in a very litigious society, and this has a ripple effect on many industries, including life insurance. Insurance companies are constantly dealing with legal claims. Whether it's a car accident, a workplace injury, or a disputed life insurance payout, these lawsuits add up. And guess who ends up footing the bill for those legal fees and potential settlements? You guessed it, the policyholders. To protect themselves from these financial hits, they factor in the cost of litigation when calculating premiums. Insurance companies look at the overall likelihood of lawsuits within the population, and in the US, that likelihood is quite high. It's a factor that many people don't consider, but it plays a significant role in determining those premiums. Let's get personal and talk about how your age and health play into this whole life insurance equation. The older you are, the more expensive life insurance becomes. As we age, our risk of developing health problems increases. And since life insurance is all about mitigating risk, those increased health risks translate directly into higher premiums. Your overall health, lifestyle choices, and family history all come into play when insurance companies calculate your individual risk profile. If you're a smoker, have a history of heart disease, or lead a less than healthy lifestyle, you'll be quoted higher premiums. Insurance companies rely on data and statistics to make their decisions. They're not making judgments about your personal life, they're simply analyzing risk based on the information available to them. It's about the odds, the likelihood that they'll have to pay out on your policy sooner rather than later. Understanding this can help you make better choices for your health and your wallet. Let's talk about the structure of our insurance market. The US has a fragmented and complex system unlike many other developed countries. This creates administrative headaches and inefficiencies, driving up costs. Insurance companies navigate a patchwork of regulations and billing systems. These operational costs get passed down to consumers as higher premiums. This makes US life insurance more expensive compared to streamlined systems. Let's talk about how you can save money on life insurance. Term life insurance is your new best friend. Think of it like renting an apartment versus buying a house. You're covered for a specific period and pay a set premium. It's straightforward and much cheaper than whole life insurance. Term life insurance is purely about protection. There's no cash value component. You're paying for pure coverage in case something happens to you. Once the period is over, reassess your needs and decide if you still need coverage. Here's a tip for life insurance. Shop around. Don't just accept the first quote you get. Rates can vary drastically from one company to another. Think of it like buying a car. You wouldn't sign on the dotted line without comparing prices, right? The same principle applies to life insurance. Get multiple quotes to see how they stack up. Online tools like Policy Genius make it easier than ever. Enter your info once and get quotes side by side. Compare premiums, coverage options, and ratings all in one place. Make an informed decision and save money. Ensure you get the best possible deal by shopping around. Here's a piece of advice I wish more people understood. When it comes to life insurance, time is literally money. The younger and healthier you are when you buy a policy, the lower your premiums will be. Insurance companies use your age and health at the time of application to determine your risk level and set your premiums. If you lock in a policy in your 20s or 30s, you'll be securing those lower rates for the entire duration of your policy. Think of it like an investment in your future financial well-being. Those lower premiums you lock in today will save you potentially thousands of dollars over the years compared to waiting until you're older. Life insurance might not be the most exciting thing to think about, especially when you're young and healthy, but trust me, your future self will thank you for being proactive. Let's talk about the connection between your health and your wallet, specifically when it comes to life insurance. The healthier you are, the lower your risk, the lower your premiums. Improving your health isn't just good for your overall well-being, it can also lead to significant savings on your life insurance premiums. Losing even a small amount of weight, quitting smoking, or lowering your cholesterol can have a positive impact on your health profile. Insurance companies often offer better rates to individuals who are in good shape. They might even have special programs or discounts for non-smokers or those who maintain a healthy weight. Even small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle can make a difference. Eat a balanced diet, incorporate regular exercise, and get enough sleep. These simple habits can go a long way in improving your health and potentially lowering your life insurance premiums. Here's another strategy to consider if you're comfortable with a bit of financial risk: opting for a higher deductible on your life insurance policy. While deductibles are more common in health insurance, some life insurance policies also offer this option. Essentially, a deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. With a higher deductible, you're taking on more of the financial responsibility up front. By increasing your deductible, you'll typically see a lower monthly premium. If you stay healthy and don't need to use your life insurance in the near future, you'll save money on your premiums. It's a calculated risk, but for some people, it can be a smart way to lower those monthly costs. Last but not least, here's a crucial tip that many people overlook: review your life insurance policy regularly. Life is constantly evolving. By periodically reviewing your policy, you can ensure that you're not overpaying for coverage you no longer need. For example, maybe your kids have grown up and are now financially independent, or perhaps you've paid off your mortgage. These life changes could mean you can reduce your coverage amount and potentially lower your premiums. On the flip side, maybe you've taken on more debt or your family has grown, which could mean you need to increase your coverage. Make it a habit to review your coverage at least once a year, or whenever you experience a major life change. Contact your insurance provider, discuss your current needs, and see if any adjustments can be made. You might be surprised at the potential savings you could unlock by simply making sure your policy aligns with your current life circumstances. And there you have it. We've covered the major reasons why life insurance in the US can feel like a financial burden, and more importantly, we've armed you with practical strategies to save money without sacrificing coverage. Remember, protecting your loved ones doesn't have to break the bank. By understanding the factors that influence premiums and being proactive about your choices, you can find affordable life insurance that provides peace of mind for you and your family. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this information, and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own life insurance hacks, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Stay financially savvy, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.